30. From Norwich, it's the Quiz of the Week. Yes, it's the sale of the half-century. And on offer tonight, this lovely pair of accessories. These twice the amount of simulated imitation pearl brooches in the shops at £82 and on offer for just £8. A £1,000 Riviera holiday for two on offer for just £10. Now let's meet the man with the questions, Nicholas Parcel.
Welcome indeed to Sale of the Half Century. So right away, let's meet our first contestant. She is a lady, so she tells me, and she is an authoress. She's just written a book called How to Make Your Marriage Work, and she's now writing the sequel, How to Make Your Husband Work. She is Teresa Tingle. What a delightful creature she is, to be sure. Our lone male guest this evening comes from Belfast, and he is married, he has 17 children, and his hobby is bell ringing, and he is Mr. Jack Reineman. And, ladies and gentlemen, last but by no means least, a delightful young lady with the delightful name of Melanie. It's a very apt name, isn't it? Absolutely describes them to describes her. They are Melanie. She is a Melanie. She's a beautiful girl. Tells me that her hobby is calisthenics, which means that twice a week she strips for Jim. Lucky Jim, how I envy him. Although in actual fact I believe she doesn't. You don't have a boyfriend, do you, my dear? If you won the holiday for two, another man would have to sort of come along with you, wouldn't he? I see. Well, she is actually by profession a cookery expert. Now the first question is, what is the principal ingredient of vol au vent?
Pastry.
Oh, well done, Melanie. Not too well done, though. Fancy you getting that one right. Well done. Now, the next one. What is a Welsh rarebit?
Cheese on toast.
Oh, right again. Fancy that. Although, of course, I have heard a Welsh rarebit referred to as a virgin from Cardiff. But, we won't dwell on that, will we?
Why do you keep asking cookery questions? Give us a chance, too.
Sorry. What is a wooden wedding?
10 years.
Two Poles getting married. What a pity, what a pity. Well, now then, let's see what we have on our instant sale, shall we?
This easily assembled kitchen table unit comes with all parts interlocked. Hardy lime wood, ready for painting in whatever your favourite colour happens to be. Value £37.
No offers for that? You do surprise me. Now then, the questions now go to £3. And what is the name of this tune that Peter Fenchurch is playing?
The cobbler's song?
No, it's not the cobbler's song, dear. No.
After the ball?
You're sort of half right. Not quite, no.
I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
Are you boasting again? No, it is, of course, Colonel Bogey. Well, now then, let's have a look and see what we have on offer in the open sale.
This radiogram with a supply of hit records, including Victor Sylvester at Nashville, Houghton's Motorworks Band at Ronnie Scott's, and Mrs. Mills plays Mendelssohn and loses. Yours for a song at £1. This garbage disposal unit, guaranteed for 1 year or double your garbage back, £5. These are just a few of the items on the open sale tonight.
And no offers. Well, I never. Well, the questions now go up to £5. Here we are. If you don't leave my wife alone, I shall... You didn't sign his name, so I... What is the difference between a vitamin and a hormone? No? No, I thought you'd have got that one. You can't make a vitamin. What has two legs and flies? Yes, Melanie? Ah, I thought you'd have got that one. Two legs and flies. A wheelbarrow full of manure. Thought you would have got that one. Never mind. What is the difference between a pint of beer and a pea? They all guessed at the same time. You all know the answer. 20 minutes. Yeah. Well, now then, to be fair to you all, I'm going to give you all one simple question and you answer them separately. We must be fair, scrupulously fair, and this is a name. It begins W-E-M, Melanie, and it ends L-E-Y. There was one letter missing, and the cup final was held there last year. No coaching from the audience, please.
Wembley?
Well done. Oh, isn't that nice? I'm so glad. And now, a nice, easy one for you. Teresa, could you tell me, please, how many people attended the cup final there last year?
About 90,000.
90,002. So, £5 away. And for £5, Jackie, can you tell me their names and addresses?
No, I couldn't. And that's the correct answer to your question.
Yes. Could you tell me what is the difference between and... Oh, well done, Melanie. Oh, you'll soon be having that lovely holiday for two, won't we? Won't you? Well, it seems that, Melanie is in the lead now, and it seems that there's just one more question to go, and if nobody else gets this question right, then Melanie, you are going to have that lovely holiday for two. Well, here is the final question, then. What is the Bessarabian equivalent of the patois or slang word Yasif el Achim?
Zabragalubra.
I'm sorry. Zabragalubro. What a pity. So lovely, Melanie. Will you join me now for the sale of the... I beg your pardon. There's a apparently... Well, would you look it up in the Encyclopedia Britannica? And see what I wrote? You did, and it is right, I see. Well then, Jack Reineman, will you now join me for the... Come on! Will you join me for the sale of the half-century? Come on. Here are all the lovely colours. Here, as you can see, Jackie, we have the... Don't get in the way. We have this two-piece toiletry set with, of course, as you can see, the gold-plated seat. What a way to go. Over here... Come on! Over here... Was that you? Not while the train is standing at a station. We have this lovely clock which goes for 8 days without winding.
And how long will it go if you wind it?
Ha, bloody ha. Come on. Now, let's see what else we've got that you can't afford. Even I can't afford that. We have this very nice leather chair. Would you like to try it sitting? Well, tell me, how does it feel? Darling, who's your friend? Come on. And what else have we got? Yes, we've got this very charming 27-piece. 57-piece tea set, which also you can't afford. I'm afraid you only have £20. And what do we have? We only have one thing that you can afford, and it's this very handy spare room toiletry set. There is the basin. You can hand that along. And there is the jug. Angela will hold it for you. And, of course, it wouldn't be complete without that, would it? Would you like to have a look inside? It's all lovely and shiny. Would you like to try it for size? Go on. You see? A perfect fit. It's a bloody convulsion. Oh. And here are Linda and Angela to congratulate you. Good night, or get out of it.